Graph the equation. Identify the vertex. Also give the y-intercept and any x-intercepts. Y equals negative x squared minus 2x minus 4. We'll first identify the vertex. The x-coordinate of the vertex will equal negative b over 2a, where b is the coefficient of the linear term and a is the coefficient of the squared term. So we have x is equal to negative of negative 2 divided by 2 times negative 1. This is equal to negative 1. We can find the y-coordinate of the vertex by substituting negative 1 for x. So we have y equals negative of negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 minus 4, which is equal to negative 1 plus 2 minus 4, or negative 3. Therefore, the vertex is the point negative 1, negative 3. Now we'll find our y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is negative 4. So our y-intercept is the point 0, negative 4. We can then find our x-intercept. Our x-intercept is the point where y is equal to 0. So we would have 0 equals negative x squared minus 2x minus 4. There's no solution to this equation, and therefore there is no x-intercept. Let's find a few additional points on this equation, or a few additional points that satisfy this equation before we graph. If x is equal to negative 2, then y is equal to negative 4. And let's find one additional point. If x is equal to 1/2, then y is equal to negative 21/4, or negative 5 1/4. Now we can plot these points and graph the equation. To start, we'll label our axes so that each dotted line is 1 unit. The max on each axis is 6 and the minimum is negative 6. We'll plot our vertex, which is at the point negative 1, negative 3. From the origin, we move left 1 and down 3 units. We'll also note that our graph will be symmetric about the axis of symmetry, which is x equals negative 1. The axis of symmetry passes through our vertex vertically, and so we can draw a dashed line representing the axis of symmetry in order to help us graph. Now we'll plot the y-intercept. That's at 0, negative 4. So we move down 4 units on our y-axis. There are no x-intercepts, so our graph will not cross the x-axis. We also have the point negative 2, negative 4. So from the origin, we move left 2 and down 4 units. And we have the point 1/2, negative 5 1/4. And so we move from the origin right 1/2 and down 5 1/4. By the axis of symmetry, we also know that we have the point negative 2.5, negative 5 1/4. So we can plot that point as well. We then use a smooth curve to graph this equation.